Hello and welcome back, fellow baseball road trippers. I am Tony, and I am not yet at the gates, but I'm going to Target Field and wanted to give you an insight into just how I do that. It is just past 4:10, just left work in Wayzata, Minnesota. So here's the small and quick journey, and kind of give you an insight into just how long I spend going to a baseball game. Well, we made it. Less than 20 minutes from work, and plenty of time for early entry at gate 34. So let's walk, take the Skyway, then see some baseball, catch a few. Have a good night. And yes, I have decided to go business today. Maybe not hit a home run, but catch one, put up a big day, something. Change it up. Thank you, Mr. Tiger. So there it is. 20 minutes to get to a game. More to wait in line at the gates, about a half hour. But you get to share it with some good people like Dave and, just the whole gang. So now BP already on the board with 5. See if we can get up to that half dozen mark. That seems to be customary around here. And just take in this beautiful day. It's only 70, 75, perfectly sunny. Gotta love this. This is baseball weather. But for how long? Trade rumors, they've officially begun. And I'm thinking Twins fire sale. Sucks, but future. I don't think it's going to be like Tuesday where I went 3 for 3 with toss-ups here on the third base side, but we'll see if the Tigers are friendly and can get one or a third out toss-up. I'll take it. Now it's 6:23 p.m. Now we wait. We wait and wait.
Those are bricks! Oh, hey! You gotta save it, guys. You gotta save it. Last one. Okay, a little bit. Woo! Eric! There we go.
Designated hitter, Nelson Cruz. Crossing the bases tonight with the Tigers, and first base, number 49, belongs to the Islanders.
Not sure how many more at-bats he's going to have as a Twin. Great Nelson Cruz. My guy struck out. Zach, thanks for the third out toss-up. I'm sorry about that. Caught you striking out. But you'll get it. Weezer coming to town. August 23rd. Your boy's gonna be there. Well, the bad news, we got 2 lefties going tonight, which means that the Tigers only have 1 lefty in their lineup hitting, and Twins only have 2. So it might be a lonely night here on the plaza, but something special is cooking for the Tigers. I don't want to jinx it, but I've never seen one. That's right, we're 5 innings in. Twins are losing 2-0. And they don't have one of those things where the guys get on base, so extra special. I jinxed it. There goes the no-no and the perfect game. Dang.
Isn't it the,
We're in the
it's
6th.
The top of the third.
Well, not even 9 o'clock. 7th inning stretch already. Fast game. J.A. Happ and Tariq Skubal. Thank you. Thank you. You're pitching gems and being efficient. That's a wrap. Like I said, Twins win 5-3. The comeback is real, but Tigers also just gave it to them, so it is what it is. But still nice. Good day at the ballpark. Quick day. Not even 10 yet, and I've been here for a little bit, so I think that's a wrap. 8 for the day. Can't complain about that.